how to mention someone back in a close friend story on Instagram. So, you want to tag someone back in a close friend story on Instagram, but you're not sure if that even works? Alright, let's keep it simple. Today, we're going to see if you can tag someone back after they add you to their close friend story, and what you can actually do instead. Loads of people get confused about this. So, can you do it or not? Let's find out. First, here's how close friend stories work. Open Instagram. On Instagram, go to the story where someone tagged you. If it was shared with close friends, you'll usually see it in your messages at the top. You should see a message like, mentioned you in their story. Now tap the 3 dots in the corner. Here's the key part. You won't see any option to tag them back or add that story to your own. At the moment, Instagram doesn't let you repost or share someone's close friend story directly. Yeah, a bit frustrating. So what can you do instead? Here's the only real way. Ask them to post the same story as a normal public story instead of close friends. Once they do that, you can res-hair it and tag them as usual. You can tag someone in your own close friend story if you both follow each other. But you can't repost or tag back a close friend story you were mentioned in. That option just isn't available right now. Got any problem? Share in comment. Thanks for watching.